So part two, what's the gossip on you? So you have choices. So I feel like people could gossip that you have a lot of choices in love. You can have your pick and choose as to who you want to date, as to who you want to spend your time with. And people may feel as if you radiate so much love. And there's something about you being a great conversationalist as well. We have feeling blocked and restrained. So some people may feel like you are very cautious with who you spend your time with. Like you could, I'm hearing, miss out on a good thing because you could be finding the flaws in a person that you align yourself with. There's something about you being a perfectionist. So you could be someone that's very nitpicky in regards to who you choose to date, because it's almost as if you're waiting for the perfect person. So some people may feel like you want perfection, or you are a perfectionist is what I'm picking up. Okay, so we got nonsense, 2 and 8. It's time to talk sense. Okay, so some people may gossip that they don't really know you. You say things to keep people confused. There's also an energy that some people may feel as if you are downplaying a certain connection that you are in. This could be Spirit don't want me to talk. This could be in regards to, I feel like you could have someone that's quite overbearing in your life, and some people may have asked you if you are all right, like if the situation is affecting you, and you may be saying that things are fine. You may feel as if people are overreacting, and some people may feel as if you are disregarding the fact that you are in some sort of controlling dynamic. Now, for some of you, I hope I'm not triggering anyone, if you are in a type of controlling dynamic, it is best to speak to someone like a counselor or speak to a family member that you trust, because there could be someone that is very domineering, very controlling. And for some of you, unfortunately, this could be a mother. This could be someone that is like a mother, is what I'm picking up. For some of you, I'm not really picking up a family member. I'm picking up more of someone that's very fixated on you, someone that is possibly jealous of you as well, someone that could be obsessed with you is what I'm picking up. So I feel that some people may be gossiping about someone's fixation on you, someone's obsession with you. This individual may have been trying to gossip about you, and people are saying, oh, that person chats a lot of rubbish, man, or that person's jealous of my TikTok family member. So there's an energy of people gossiping about someone being jealous of you, is what I'm picking up. Someone being quite controlling. Now, for some of you, this could actually be a family member. This could actually be a mother, and people could be gossiping that your mother's very controlling and she has held you back over the years, and she has blocked many opportunities for you. And some people may feel like you're oblivious to the fact that your mother is a hindrance in your life, because they may feel like you keep going back and you keep complaining about what she does. And when people try and pull up certain situations, like, oh, do you think that's right that your mum's done that, or you defend your mother, or you defend the person that has been mistreating you. But on one hand, people say that you complain about what this person's doing, but then you still go back. I got there in the end, didn't I? So yeah, that's why this one's quite confusing, because people may gossip that this connection that you have with this person is very confusing, but people are saying that you are being controlled. And this could be a mother, it could be a mother figure, someone that's could be older than you, that acts maternal, but they are very controlling. It could be a mother of your child if you're a male listening to this, right? There's a feminine energy here, or it could be a masculine in a feminine energy, but I feel more so it's a feminine energy. Someone that appears to be innocent, appears to be nice, but they do have a hidden agenda, and their hidden agenda is to keep you bounded and stuck to them. They don't want you to evolve. They don't want you to, find your confidence. They want you to stay stagnant. So this is the gossip. It's what I'm picking up. It's just part of the gossip. We are all mad here. Okay, so some people could gossip that you got a little bit of a temper. Like, they've seen a side to you that's like, wow, is he all right? Is she all right? So some people may be gossiping that you're a bit, you know, we all have tempers. Like, none of us are perfect. But look at the cat's face, right? So some people may gossip that you change. Like, you've got one side to you where you're very peaceful, lovely, kind, warm-hearted, and then you've got this switch that just comes out of nowhere, and it's like Jekyll and Hyde. So some people may gossip like, have you seen him angry? Have you seen when she gets angry? Like, she's a completely different person. So some people feel like you switch, and look at the number 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is 5. 5 is the number of change. So you do change. So people are gossiping about that angry side that you have, and not to get on your bad side. Okay, so we got keep your temper again. Some people could be gossiping about your temper. You know, they could say that you could be quite emotional sometimes, especially when it's a certain time of the month. And the reason why I say that is because number 2 rules in numerology the moon, and the moon cycles can affect, you know, the feminine cycles as well. And some people gossip that when it is the time of the month, for my feminines listening, you can switch, and you're not a nice person. You change, or you start thinking things that are not true. And yeah, this is what I'm picking up. And it's best to keep on your good side or stay away. It's what I'm picking up. Okay, so last but not least, we've got what's the gossip on you? I wonder what will happen next. So people are very intrigued about you, about your life. You know, they gossip about what you're going to do next, because you could be that type of person that always shocks others. You're always coming out with something new. You're always looking different. Some of you could be authors, or some of you, I just feel people are just very genuinely interested in what you're going to do next. And you could be that type of person that disappears for a long time, and when you come back out, when you connect with your friends and family, you tell them what you've been getting up to, and they're quite shocked. So people are in awe of you. They find you to be an enigma, and they find you to be someone that always invests in themselves. And they are intrigued by your stories. They're intrigued by you. But again, there's something very mysterious about you that keeps people on their toes. So that's what I have for you, TikTok fam. Please say what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll speak to you soon. If you like the gossip on you cards or the readings, then I'll be more than happy to do it once a week. I'll speak to you soon. Peace out.